Hello and welcome. If you're using the Agoda mobile app and want to switch to your preferred language, this step-by-step tutorial is just for you. Changing the app's language can help you navigate more easily and make better travel choices. Let's walk through the simple process together, step by step. Open the Agoda mobile app on your phone. On the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap on More. Scroll down through the options until you find Language. Tap on Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Browse through the list and tap on the language you prefer. Once selected, the app will automatically update to the new language. There's no need to restart the app. The change takes effect instantly. That's it. Now you know how to change the language in the Agoda mobile app quickly and easily. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more simple tech guides.